welcome back to another installment of Rose and Gold. Today, Dr. Ross and I are in Miami, the home of The Rock, when do smell what The Rock is cooking. But Dr. Ross and I, we are currently here to visit some family as well as do some business. Our Rose and Gold Jamaican shampoo, hair gel, and clothing line has been flying off the shelves. So make sure to get you some of yours, some self before it goes off the shelves and gets sold out.
We only have one topic for today, and this topic is going to be talking about how they said police commissioners and everyone is losing their jobs. All we want to say is, and we're leaving it at that. Close it off for us, like and subscribe.
Catch you guys on the next installment. Kylie Jenner, next week. We'll see you. We know you're going to be in Miami soon, so we'll catch you in Miami. Teresa.